In this video, we will show you how to use the PavoSlim B. PavoSlim B is designed for content creators and commercial shooting teams. Combine slimness and good performance with the minimized size. PavoSlim provides wide color temperature, various effects, different power supply options, and control methods, allowing you to easily cope with small location and fast-paced film sets. Enjoy the creating process. Here, we take the PavoSlim 120B as an example to introduce the functions and demonstrate the operations. Here are what PavoSlim 120B includes, as follow. PavoSlim 120B Control Unit, Universal Holder, DC Connection Cable 2.6 meters, AC Power Cable 4.5 meters, Light Diffuser, Standard Diffuser, Egg Crate, Softbox, Carrying Bag. PavoSlim B is available in 1x1 and 2x1 size options. More sizes will be available in the future. The slim and lightweight design, only 1.86 centimeters thick, expressing the minimalism. On the board, hundreds of LED chips are in matrix arrangement. There is 60-degree optical lens on each chip for converging light efficiently. The back of fixture has multiple sockets for quickly mounted on the light stand via the holder. Each corner is built with a 1/4 inch 20 mount partner with the hook and loop fasteners for mounting with various accessories. Separate design of light fixture and control unit, which is built with complete functions and user-friendly layout, helping efficient control. Concise interface, 2 buttons, 2 knobs, and big size display screen makes the operation straightforward. There are 4 ports: AC power input socket, DC input socket, DC output socket, and DMX port. There is a battery holder at the side, providing another power supply option. Besides the V-mount battery holder, the control unit of PavoSlim 60B also has NPF battery holder. Thus, another power supply mode is available. It's worth noting that there is a USB port above for inserting the USB drive and firmware updating. Now let's go to the basic installation steps of PavoSlim 120B. Mount the universal holder into the sockets. Loosen the S-shaped fixing knob of universal holder. Adjust the angle by the ball head and tighten the knob to secure. Mount the fixture on the light stand by the universal holder and tighten the knob to secure. With multiple sockets, more mounting locations are provided for the holder, enabling to have wider beam angle. Hang the control unit on the light stand by the quick release clamp. Connect the fixture to the control unit via the DC connection cable. Next, based on different power supply methods, there are 3 connection ways. First, AC power supply. Connect the control unit to the AC 100 to 240 volt power supply via AC power cable. Second, DC power supply. The PavoSlim 120B is built with DC input socket for connecting to power supply or battery pack, that with 4-pin XLR connector. Third, powered by battery. Mount the battery on the battery holder. Here come the battery-powered solutions for your reference. Powered by these solutions, the PavoSlim can achieve full power output. Besides, the PavoSlim supports hot swapping among different power supply modes. Various power supply choices will be helpful for different productions. Now let's see how to install the modifiers. Unfold the softbox. Wrap it around the fixture and stick at the interface. Fasten the hook and loop fasteners to the back of fixture. Attach the diffuser to the hook and loop fasteners inside the softbox. Attach the egg crate to the hook and loop fasteners inside the softbox. In CCT mode, the brightness, color temperature can be adjusted. 0 to 100% stepless dimming. short press the left knob to prompt switch between 0% and current brightness. 2700 to 6500 Kelvin CCT adjustable. Short press the right knob to toggle among commonly used CCT. PavoSlim B is equipped with 12 effects. Various parameters of each effect can be adjusted, providing more customized lighting effects. Now, let's go to the menu. Output mode setting. Address range from 1 to 512. Bluetooth setting. Reset the Bluetooth. .4G setting. The wireless protocol can be switched. Rotate screen, screen brightness, button backlight, and language are adjustable as required. Reset all settings. This function is to restore all the settings to the initial state. Now it's the firmware update operation. Insert the USB drive, that with firmware file. Enter the firmware update menu. And to make update. After update, the fixture will automatically reboot. We can check the current firmware version in the menu. PavoSlim series is built with Bluetooth and 2.4G module. By the Nanlite app, you can get convenient and professional wireless control experience. Let's go to the app connection and operation. Create a new scene on the app. Connect the PavoSlim 120B via Bluetooth. Wait for connecting. In CCT mode, the brightness and CCT can be adjusted. The adjustment range is the same as that on board. Tap the heart-shaped icon in the top right corner to preset the current setting. In effect mode, 12 effects are available. There are more parameter options compared to onboard control. After setting, we also preset the parameters. Tap the options in the preset list to recall the settings that have been preset before. PavoSlim series supports DMX RDM control. You will only need a DMX adapter cable. To get a DMX in and out connector for receiving DMX signal. There are DMX mode, DMX reduce channels, DMX dimming curve, and DMX smoothing functions. Let's set them one by one. The DMX mode includes CCT 8-bit and Ultimate 8-bit. DMX dimming curve includes linear, exponent, logarithm, S-curve, and gamma 2.2. After setting, we can control by the console. Besides, PavoSlim 60B 120B also support wireless DMX functionality to meet your needs for DMX control. Turn on wireless DMX. It should be noted that, after the function is turned on, the fixture cannot be controlled by the remote controller or WSTB1 transmitter box. Set the wireless DMX universe. After completing the above operations, the fixture will be in wireless DMX signal receiving state. Moreover, there are various accessories for PavoSlim series. Besides the modifiers mentioned before, there are magnetic base adapter with 1/4 inch 20 thread set, dual panel coupler kit, and dual panel softbox. Further enrich the fixture applications. Magnetic base adapter with 1/4 inch 20 thread set, paired with the 1/4 inch 20 mount, then on each corner of the fixture. After that, you can make the fixture absorbed on magnetic metal objects. PavoSlim 120B C dual panel coupler kit is for splicing to PavoSlim via the sockets on the back. Different couplers can support 2x2 vertically or 4x1 horizontally splicing. Creates a wide range of lighting effects. After coupling, there are related modifiers including softbox, diffuser, and egg crate, softening the light even further. That's it for the PavoSlim 60B 120B basic operations. Thanks for watching. If you need more lighting performance, please go to learn about the PavoSlim C version to get more powerful tool for creation.